Hey there, fellow traders. Cecil Robles here with YourForexMentor.com. Wanted to give you a little analysis on the Euro-US dollar today. The US dollar, of course, has lost some strength against other major currencies because the Fed has decided to leave the rates unchanged again. Obviously, the global economy has kind of taken a downturn because of the issue going on in China right now and their stock market having taken about a 40% hit over the last couple of weeks. Now, this has obviously created a little bit more concern over whether or not they need to raise rates at this time. They've made a decision not to. That means that the dollar has lost some strength, definite strength against the euro and other major currencies as well. I want to focus on the euro today because the euro is interesting to me at this time because it's been very stagnant over the last 5 months or so. Haven't really traded the euro very much over that period of time. Now, over the last year and a half, you can see that the euro has been a major workhorse as far as trend goes, and you can see this huge move to the downside, going from the 140 area all the way down to 109. We're looking at over 3,000 pips from where we were just about a year and a half ago. And so that is a major interest. Anytime you have a big long trend like this, you're going to have some sideways action for a period of time. That's what we've been in. We've been in this sideways action. You can see we've been trading inside of these channels here. These channels represent what I call the fractal average breakout, and price has been trading fairly inside of these channels for quite some time, and that means that we're in a sideways market. There's a number of other indicators you could use to determine that, but this is a simple one to use. Now, with that said, you can see here on the daily chart that we have begun to turn up. We've had a nice push to the upside, very strong push to the upside. We had a pullback against that momentum to the upside, but based on this pullback, we had a nice buying opportunity actually right in here when prices, of course, traded below the 50 exponential moving average. The Williams percentage range dropped down below that. Then you can see here we had a break above this 8 exponential moving average right here, and that gave us a real good opportunity to start buying this particular currency here, the Euro-US dollar. Then you can see that we had another opportunity. We had what I call a breakout right here above this high. So today we had another breakout. They gave us another opportunity to buy. There were a couple of other opportunities in here. One here we could have bought right off the bat, another buy above this high with what we call an intermediate term low forming right here at that particular point. So you could have 3 positions in this particular trade right now to the upside on the daily chart. The thing I love about the daily chart is that you just look at it one time a day. You don't have to look at it at all hours of the day or night. You simply look at it one time a day. You make decisions one time a day. It takes about 30 seconds once you really begin to understand the market to make a decision on the daily chart. Now, as far as for you short-term traders, for you intraday traders that want to trade the hour chart, or swing traders that want to look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here once again that we have broken outside of the fractal average breakout lines here today. Took a big buy. You can see that we've been moving up, creating higher lows here. That obviously gives us an opportunity to buy as well. And then once again, we had a breakout right here yesterday. That gave us an indication that the market's going to move higher. Sure enough, it did. So now what do we need to be looking for if we're doing intraday trading? We need to be looking for pullbacks against this particular trend that's beginning to start, and we need to be buying those pullbacks. We need to be buying those pullbacks and any close good breakouts that we get that are very close to our 8 exponential moving average and our 5 simple moving average. Any breakouts we get above those, we can look for an opportunity to buy as well. So once again, we're of a buying bias here at YourForexMentor.com when it comes to the Euro-US dollar. I'm excited about this pair getting hot again. I think we're going to see some volatility, and so I recommend that you look for as many buying opportunities as you can over the next week or so, and let's see what happens from there. Now, let me also mention to you that on this page there is a link to a special offer. We're opening up our Currency Signals Club again for just a few members to join lifetime and get lifetime access to the Currency Signals Club. We've got several really good trades going on in the club right now, and so take a look at it and take advantage of it while it's open. And we'll see you on the inside.